Mars. The name alone sparks visions of a distant red world. For centuries we've looked up, wondering, could it be another home? Humans are explorers by nature, crossing oceans, traversing continents, always seeking the next frontier. Mars is our next great leap. Why Mars? It's close, it once had water, and maybe, just maybe, life. The dream isn't just about planting a flag, it's about understanding our place in the universe and ensuring humanity's survival. Becoming a multi-planet species could be our insurance policy. Mars is woven into our culture, books, films, stories, fueling our imagination and ambition. The challenge is monumental, but so is our drive to overcome it. Transforming a barren world into a new home is the ultimate test of our ingenuity. The journey to Mars is a human endeavor, testing our technology, resilience, and spirit. It's not just about reaching Mars, but about what we become in the process. What will we learn by striving for such an audacious goal? The red planet awaits, holding secrets and perhaps our future. Will we answer its call? Our Martian dream begins now. Before we dream of Martian holidays, let's face reality. Mars is hostile. The air is thin, about 1% of Earth's, and 96% carbon dioxide. Step outside unprotected and you'd suffocate in seconds. Water? It's there, but frozen solid and mixed with dust. Extracting and purifying it is a massive challenge. Liquid water can't exist on the surface, so every drop must be found, melted and recycled. Food? Mars has no fertile soil? UV radiation sterilizes the surface, so we'll need artificial greenhouses or hydroponics. Everything must be brought or built from scratch. Radiation is relentless. Mars lacks a magnetic field and thick atmosphere, exposing settlers to dangerous cosmic rays. Without serious shielding, cancer and other health risks skyrocket. These aren't minor inconveniences, they're survival essentials. Air, water, food and protection, each is a life or death challenge. Mars demands solutions, not wishful thinking. Only by mastering these basics can we hope to survive. The checklist is daunting, but not impossible. The first step, accept the risks and prepare to meet them head-on. Let's dig deeper into Mars's dangers. The thin air isn't just unbreathable, it's so low pressure exposed liquids in your body would boil away. Pressurized suits and habitats are non-negotiable. Water scarcity means every drop is precious. Recycling is a way of life, not a choice. No native food means total dependence on artificial farming. A single crop failure could be catastrophic. Radiation is a silent threat, damaging DNA and raising cancer risks over time. Even brief trips outside expose settlers to dangerous doses. Every aspect of Martian life is a fight for survival. There's no margin for error. Every system, air, water, food, shielding, must work flawlessly. Mars is unforgiving. But understanding these dangers is the first step to overcoming them. Survival depends on relentless preparation and innovation. Mars is tough, but so are we. For air, we're developing tech like MOXIE, which turns Martian CO2 into oxygen, tested already by Perseverance. Water? We'll drill for ice, melt it, and recycle every drop, just like on the ISS, but even more efficiently. Food will come from hydroponics and aeroponics, plants grown in water or mist inside sealed modules. Scientists are testing crops and ways to enrich Martian soil, maybe even using processed human waste as fertilizer. For radiation, we'll bury habitats under Martian soil or use natural lava tubes for shelter. Advanced shielding materials and even artificial magnetic fields are in the works. Every solution combines Martian resources with human ingenuity. We'll use what Mars gives us and invent what it doesn't. The path is clear. Adapt, innovate, survive. Each breakthrough brings us closer to calling Mars home. The challenge is immense, but so is our determination. Mars will test us, but we're ready to meet the challenge. What will life on Mars look like? Imagine waking in a habitat buried for protection, checking life support and eating greens grown on site. Days will be filled with research, maintenance and cautious exploration in protective suits. The obstacles are huge cost, technology, psychological strain and even toxic Martian dust. But the drive to explore is unstoppable. Colonies won't appear overnight, it'll take decades, maybe a century. The first settlers will be pioneers facing dangers we can only imagine. Mars will demand our best: innovation, resilience, and unity. Living there will redefine what it means to be human. The red planet calls, and one day we'll answer, leaving our mark in the crimson dust. Our future among the stars begins with Mars.